Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue with Uplay. You are getting the error initialization error 2. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. In the first step, if you are using Ubisoft, launch the Ubisoft, click on your profile icon and choose the option logout. Once you are logged out, switch to Steam, right click on the game, go to properties, click on installed files and choose the option verify integrity of the game files. Once the integrity is fully verified, hit the play option and hopefully the issue will be fixed. If this failed to work out, in next step, open up your web browser and you need to download a tool with the name Intel Extreme Tuning Utility. Scroll down and click on this download link to download this into your system. Once it is downloaded, you need to install it. After the installation, you will see an interface like this and you will find the option of performance core ratio. So over here, whatever the performance core ratio is, you need to reduce it to 2 or 3. For example, if you have a 53 performance core ratio, you need to click on this back arrow to reduce it to 50 or 51. Once it is reduced, hit the option apply. After that, close the tuning utility. Now go ahead and launch the game, and this will completely fix out the issue of Uplay crash reporter initialization error code 2. So that's all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving update from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.